Okay, pants are next. I want them to be flat so I can see them. And it's a little bit like matching socks because there are two legs of the pants, like we have two legs on our bodies. Match the leg on top of the leg. Make it smooth. And then fold it in half. And you might need to check with your mom or dad if maybe they would like you to do it smaller. But that is something that you have to figure out. But if you get this much done, I'm sure it will be very, very helpful. Make your pants flat. Match the leg on the leg. And fold it in half. Then you can make a pile. You can hand it to your mom or dad, or you can put it away